So this just dropped yesterday, a leaked image of DJI's Mavic 4, and it's turning heads for the bold design choice DJI made. A bulb-shaped triple camera setup in a sleek spherical gimbal. Yeah, it's different, and it's packed with features. Let's break it down because there's a lot to unpack here. First up, that camera system. We're looking at what seems to be a 24mm primary lens, with 2 extra cameras nestled underneath. It's like DJI took the Mavic 3 Pro's multi-camera setup, gave it a major glow-up, and wrapped it in a rounded gimbal for smoother moves and more control. This thing screams pro-level imaging, and it's got everyone speculating about what kind of shots it'll be able to pull off. Now, let's talk power. The Mavic 4 is rumored to pack a 95.3 watt-hour battery, just enough of a bump to get you that extra flight time when it matters most. It's not just about staying in the air longer, it's about doing more with every minute. Pair that with the redesigned camera system, and it's clear DJI isn't playing around here. But here's where things get spicy. Word is, DJI's throwing in features usually reserved for their high-end enterprise drones. Stuff like RTK positioning for pinpoint accuracy, built-in ND filters for better control in bright conditions, and a gimbal that can tilt from -90 degree to +80 degree. Oh, and dual controller support? Yep, it's got that too. This could be the drone that finally bridges the gap between casual flyers and full-blown professionals. So, when's it dropping? Leaks point to 2 versions, and with recent FCC filings and DJI's usual Q1 launch vibes, it's safe to say we might see it hit shelves in just a few months. Perfect timing, right? The Mavic 4 looks like it's set to shake things up, combining pro-level features with a design that's still accessible for drone enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes or conducting precise aerial surveys, this drone promises to deliver features that cater to both worlds. What do you think? Is this the next big leap for DJI? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this exciting release. Peace.